Hi friends, this is me Harshita here. In this video, let us learn about things related to intrauterine growth charts topic. This is a graph in which it is the body weight in grams against gestational age in weeks. Gestational age. This is the graph plotted, and usually this graph would be like this. Okay, and this will be in a range, that is the, if you imagine this graph, this is the normal thing, that is the appropriate gestational age. Anything above is large gestational age, below that is small for gestational age. And you should know what is the demarcating line which tells you it is a appropriate or large for gestational or small for gestation. It is the 90th percentile and 10th percentile. Appropriate means it is appropriate for the gestation age which has been calculated. And you should know when will we get conditions of large for gestational age. It is you can see it in the baby of the diabetic mother's baby, and mother is uh, obese or large stature, like mother obese होगा तो insulin ज़्यादा होगा. So the insulin again is a it's a uh, in the, like वो होता है ना, like anabolic and catabolic. Insulin is help in building those things. So if a baby has more of insulin, the size of the all the organs will be more. So in that case also large for gestational age. And even the advanced age would be the reason for for the delivery of the LGA, large for gestational age. And there is also known as constitutional reason for which the LGA can occur. Coming to the SGA, it is of two types: normal variant and abnormal variant. In normal variant, it is a constitutional delay. In abnormal variant, it is IUGR. IUGR में wasting is positive. So, you should remember LGA is due to diabetic mother or obesity, advanced age. AGA is normal, that is between 90th percentile and 10th percentile. And SCA is of normal type or abnormal type. Normal is constitutional, abnormal is IUGR. In IUGR, you can see the wasting is present. And IUGR is of is the UGR is the SGA in which the baby will be of smaller size, and it can be of due to two reasons, that is maternal and fetal. When it is due to the maternal causes, the growth is restricted in the second and third trimester. When IUGR is due to fetal causes, it is restricted right from the first trimester. So when it is affected in the first trimester, this will result in a symmetrical decrease in the whole entire body of the fetus. Symmetrically it is affected. Whereas in this, it is a brain sparing IUGR. That is, brain is not affected, but other parts are affected. So this is a asymmetrical IUGR. IUGR. In fact, the asymmetrical IUGR has a good prognosis, because at least the brain is spared now. So it is a good prognosis. Now you should know how to differentiate between the like symmetrical IUGR and asymmetrical IUGR. It is by ponderal Pondrel Pondrel index, that is pi is due to, you remember right, pi, so something pill, you make it pill, okay, pill is for will, ऐसा कुछ करो, pill will, that is w को ऐसा करो, I को write it like this and l is like this, that is weight in grams and divided by length in centimeter cube into 100. This is the formula for Pondrel index, that is PIL, pill is for will. So Pondrel index is weight divided by length, weight in grams, length in centimeter, and it is a cube. Okay, remember pill and will, three letters, so you have to raise to the power of 3 the denominator. So this is the Pondrel index. If the Pondrel index is less than 2, it is the brain sparing asymmetrical IUGR. If the Pondrel index is more than 2, it is a symmetrical IUGR. Okay, this is about the SGA. We learned about SGA. So let's summarize. LGA is diabetic mother, obese stature is big, like that. AGA is between 10th and 90th percentile. SGA is constitutional, that is normal variant. Abnormal variant is IUGR. If it is due to fetal cause, it results in symmetrical IUGR. If it is due to maternal, it is brain sparing asymmetrical. To differentiate, we have to see the Pondrel index. Pondrel index is pill and will. So weight divided by length, raised to the power of 3, the denominator only, into 100. If the Pondrel index is less than 2, it is the brain sparing IUGR. If it is more than 2, it is the symmetrical IUGR. And you should also, I like to add the one more syndrome and the cause of LGA, that is Soto syndrome. And one more syndrome is Beckwith-Widman syndrome. Beckwith-Widman syndrome is also the reason for large for gestational age. Hope this helps you. Bye bye, guys. Keep learning.